I've posted for the last 5 years on social media, and I've made multi-millions of dollars, not just for myself, but last year I generated over $52 million in revenue for the partners and the businesses that I was working with. This is the only video you need to make a shit ton of fucking money online, because your ass doesn't make the same mistakes that I made over and over and over again. Right? Unlike the rest of the bullshit videos that you might have seen up until this point, I'm not gonna fuck around. Let's get straight into it. This video generated me $20,000, and this video generated me $45,000. And those people that had bought into my coaching program that I was running at the time, over 70% of those people did not get results. This video bought me an extra $150,000 worth of revenue, and this video generated me over $39,000 worth of revenue. And the people that came in from those videos and bought, again, the coaching program at the time, the exact same coaching program as the last couple of people, these people had over a 90% success rate that came from these two videos. There's a lot to unpack here, right? But the first thing I want to talk about is the views. I've made more money with literally the smaller view videos that I get. And it's funny to me. Right? And it's honestly a little bit disheartening, because I spent so much time trying to fucking get views, and I was getting views after 4 fucking years. But now I'm getting half, or literally a quarter of the views. I'm generating triple the amount of revenue that I was generating before. And the people that I'm actually working with are 10 times better, getting 10 times better results, and business is just booming overall. The highest viewed videos on my channel got the least amount of sales, the least amount of revenue coming from those videos, right? And then the least amount of view videos that I have on my page, and just in general, okay, again, I've posted on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, so I'm just being in general right now, the highest viewed videos that I've ever made, and I'll pop them all right here, right, generated me about 5 times less than these videos right here, which are significantly lower in views. Now, I'm telling you this because a lot of us track our metrics by the views and the subscribers and the likes and comments that we're getting. And if a video doesn't do quote unquote well, then you either change it, you get disheartened, or some of you even quit, right? You feel like you're doing something wrong, but that's not necessarily correct. Now, I'm not saying that you can't scale to 40 to 60,000, even $100,000 just off pure volume. I know people that are doing the whole how to make 10K, how to do all those fancy keyword bullshit YouTube videos that generate views every single time, but you fucking hate making them, but you make them anyway because you want views. But you can scale that way. But leading on to my next thing, you're gonna hate the business that you're making, right? You're gonna be working with the quote unquote glue stick eaters that are gonna ask you the same stupid dumbass questions over and over again, do it for 2 weeks, not see results, and then quit. And then you start thinking, I'm really shit at this. Why are people refunding? Why are people not getting results? Why are people just so bad at this? Right? But then you look at, the other 20% of the people that you're working with. So 20% of the people that you're working with, you look at them and they're getting the result. They're not even asking questions, right? But if they are asking questions, they're not asking questions that you've already answered in the course, right? They're getting the results. You're taking those results and then generating more clients, right? That 20% is the people that you want. And I guarantee you that 20% of people that you actually enjoy working with, that generates you a lot of money, that actually gets results, came from the videos where you were specifically talking about the thing that you were selling. Funny that, isn't it? Right? I generated so many views on these videos right here, but the people that came from them, not a single one of them, after 6 months is still here. Not a single one, literally not a single one. Right? But then I have someone that might have came from this video, and they are continuously there in the group talking. I'm not even running that program anymore, and they are still talking and talking every single day and still getting results. Right? It's because that's my 20% audience that came from a video like this, where it says literally in the title, how to get good at appointment setting. Right? Guess what? The people that watch that video want to get good at appointment setting. It's going to be a lot less people than if I said how to make 10K, right? But the people that watch that video are actually interested. Rather than if I make a video saying how I went from broke to 100K, which is my most viewed video on YouTube, those are people that are fucking 13, from Africa, from India, from here and here, broke out of their ass. I jump on a sales call with them. And by the end of the call, they say, yep, I'm super interested. Sorry, I left my card in the car. Oh, no worries. Just go get your card. Ah, look, man, my dad's driving the car. He won't be back till later. Right? Oh, you got anything on your phone? Oh, it's cracking out. Oh, my phone's dying. And then they're all, right? That's the people that you don't want to work with, but you're working with them and you're getting these people and you're attracting these people because you are attracting these people, right? You need to realize, and something that's great about business is that we literally attract people that we want, right? If I want to attract the glue stick eaters, I'm going to go make another 10K video. It's going to get a lot of views, which is good for my ego. But if I want to actually build a genuine business, a business that's going to generate tens of millions of dollars, then I'm going to be specific. How to get good at appointment setting, how to lose body weight, how to get a job as an executive, right? Those are the titles and those are the videos that you want to be making because you're going to start attracting the quality people that you actually want to work with. All of the businesses that I partnered with in 2024 have an extremely small YouTube account, right? They're probably not getting more than 5,000 views a video, right? But then there's someone generating over $8 million a month. I got another guy that's generated over 550K. Another person that added 220K in a couple of days, right? 11K after our first call together, right? These people are generating 10 times more than your favorite influencer, right? With literally a quarter of the views. Now, when I say low views, I'm not talking, okay, you're talking about your business, but it's getting low views. I'm talking, you might be talking very broad at the moment, right? But then you dial it down to something specific, right? So maybe you go down from 100K views to 5,000. I've chased views, I've chased likes and comments. I've bought clothes that were way too expensive for me. I've bought shit that I shouldn't have bought. I've bought technology, you know, all this sort of stuff. You know, every time I would go on YouTube, this is why I'm making the video. Every time I would go on YouTube, someone would say, this is what you need to do to go viral, right? And get brand new clients. And I would buy all the equipment, right? And I just realized that I wasn't making any more money. It didn't matter how many more views I got. And at the end of the day, I just wasn't happy with the thing that I was building. Now I film very raw. There's no edits unless they cuts. The thumbnail isn't anything crazy. It's probably just a screenshot from the actual video itself. And I'm just giving you information about the thing that I teach, right? I partner with businesses, right? And I help them scale through their sales and operations, meaning if I just keep making these types of videos, I'm attracting probably the right type of people. You might want my help in the future, right? Because you're continuously seeing that I'm putting out information, helping with the thing that you need. That's exactly how your audience is. The people that are actually going to buy from you are going to buy from you because of your good content, right? So if you actually take the shit that I told you today, you're going to get a lot less views potentially, but I guarantee you're going to make a lot more money. So give it a shot, see the difference of the quality that you're bringing in, and I guarantee you're going to make a lot more money because of that, right? If you are a business that needs help scaling, right, through sales and operations, and you want to actually make 2025 the year, there's a Typeform link in the description. Feel free to check it out if you want. But again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers to another fucking crazy year. Go make a shit ton of money and change a whole lot of lives.